You're watching Epic Trip Adventures, and this is Haleakala.
Today we'll park our car at the Halema'u Trail parking area and hitchhike to the Haleakala Visitor Center. From there, we'll hike the Sliding Sands Trail past Halua Cabin and back to our car. So on our way back from the Big Island, we had to fly through Maui, so we decided might as well make a day of it. So we went up to the very top of Haleakala. We wanted to check it out. We heard it was awesome up there. So we had to hitchhike to the top, and then we were gonna hike back around to our car.
About 20 kilometers round trip.
We got a ride up with some nice tourists who took us to the top, and then the only option was to walk all the way back down. Unfortunately, we're driving up. It's incredibly cloudy. We can't really see anything.
Oh yeah, that was a shitty day.
It's pretty cold up here. We're nice and high. Not your typical Hawaiian weather.
It almost was snowing up there for a little bit.
We planned for Hawaii, not this.
Canada. The weather's definitely not ideal today. It's pretty cloudy up here, but every once in a while they sort of part for a few seconds and we get some pretty cool views. Oh, it's windy though.
You start off at that visitor center and you can see the whole crater. Like, it is huge. I had no idea where this hike was taking us. I had no idea where we were going. And you were like, I think we're going down there. It's like into this big crater. I was like, okay. So Haleakala is a volcano. It is similar to Mauna Kea on the Big Island. Quite a big difference in temperature from the bottom, like at sea level, it's 30 degrees, and you get to the top of the volcano, it's a couple degrees. They get snow up there sometimes. Today, it was rainy, windy, borderline snowing.
It's getting worse. Pretty well socked in here. It's full-blown raining on us.
This is not ideal.
Been hiking for a few hours now. It's time to take a break and have a Kit Kat.
Take a break. Have a Kit Kat.
Please.
If there's any spokespersons out there from Kit Kat looking to sponsor somebody, why not us? Be a great Kit Kat face. The face of Kit Kat.
Kit Kat, if you're out there, listen.
Listen, we love Kit Kats.
These crisp wafers covered in milk chocolate. I think I might open this right now. Oh, baby. Taking a break, having a Kit Kat. Here, have a piece.
It's briefly cleared up. It was actually raining on us for a little while there, but there's a hint of blue skies, so we're hoping it's gonna get better from here on out. So we hiked down into Haleakala Crater, hiked across it, and now it's time to go back up the other side. It's actually a lot of elevation going up the switchbacks to get out. It was harder than I thought. There was some uphill. The first half of the hike was totally socked in, windy, rainy, but then it actually started to clear up a little bit, and towards the end we got some pretty sweet views.
Those are the switchbacks we walked. Damn,
Exhausting.
look at those views.
We aren't stuck in the clouds anymore, but we can kind of see where the clouds meet the cliffside, and it kind of just looks like the end of the world. It just drops off.
For people who believe the earth is flat, this to me is what the edge of the world would look like.
Flat earthers out there. This is the end. This is it.
We made it up the other side of the canyon. It ended up being absolutely epic. The clouds cleared out a bit and some of the views were absolutely phenomenal.
Got to see Haleakala on a layover. That was pretty cool. We got to Maui in the morning, we left Maui in the evening, and we climbed a volcano in the middle. Not a bad layover. Didn't have the weather at the start that we wanted, but had beautiful views at the end and nicer weather. Made it back to our car, made our flights, most importantly. It's a good day.
Back to Canada.
Woo! Tune into ETA next time for another epic trip adventure. Hey everybody, we're here just outside of Calgary. We're gonna do a quick little hike to a rope swing. It flies into the Bow River, nice deep water. I've never done it, but Kev here's done it, so he can tell you a little bit about it.
It's fucking high.
It's really, really high.
It's scary.